Did you know that you can create rhinestone designs for fabric using your rotary engraver? By creating a simple engraved template, you can add hot-fix rhinestones to t-shirts, jeans, bags, hats, and much more. Using Vision Pro software, a Vision engraver, and a heat press, you can get in on this popular and profitable fashion trend. Hot-fix rhinestones are available in a wide range of colors and sizes from craft stores and many online retailers. Be sure to purchase the hot-fix, not the flat rhinestones, for your project. The hot-fix stones come with a heat seal material on the back that fuses them onto fabric. We used clear crystal hot-fix rhinestones in size 10 SS for our project. You can also purchase transfer tape to move the stones from the template to the fabric from craft stores or online retailers. Finally, we purchased a plain black canvas tote bag as well as a flat pad-style brush to brush the stones into place on our template. For the template, we use standard engraving plastic. The first step is to set up your job in Vision Pro software to create a template for the design. For this example, we used a beach scene graphic. You can design a graphic directly in Vision Pro software or import graphics from many other programs such as CorelDRAW. Once the job is set up, select the design's outlines and create a toolpath using the Drill Contour option. Make sure the cutter you are using is chosen. It is not necessary to set the depth at this time. Select a color for your toolpath that is not the same as your original design. The Drill Contour tool allows you to place engraving points directly along the lines of your vector-based graphic. You can choose from 3 options for your drill points. You can specify the number of points, the distance between points, or choose to place a point on each node of the graphic. You can also combine both distance and node points. Now you are ready to send the job to the machine. Select the Engrave icon, then select the Filter by Color option. Select the color you chose for your toolpath and press the Engrave icon to send the job to the machine. Place your plastic template material onto the T-slot table of the engraver and choose a cutter that is the right size for your stones. For this example, we used a 110 parallel cutter to drill the holes, which matched the size of our rhinestones most closely. We used a proximity sensor on the machine to guarantee a consistent depth when engraving. We'll start by zeroing the parallel cutter. Loosen the set screw on the cutter knob and move the cutter up about 2 inches. Tighten the set screw to hold it there. Put the cutter into the spindle by threading it counterclockwise. Now lower the spindle until the nose cone touches the material and the tension spring compresses slightly. Loosen the cutter set screw while holding onto the cutter. Gently lower the cutter until it touches the material and tighten the screw. This sets the cutter flush with the bottom of the nose cone. When you send the job to engrave, the engraving tool cuts the holes into the plastic material, creating the holes for the rhinestones. When the template is completed, pour your rhinestones onto the design. Using a flat pad-style brush, gently brush the stones over the engraved holes in the plastic. The brush helps the stones go directly into place. Any stones that are upside down will not stay in the holes. When all the holes are filled, brush off any excess stones. Next, apply a piece of transfer tape over the template, pressing carefully to make sure that all stones are touching the tape. Pull away gently. All the stones in the design will adhere to the tape and the design will be ready to add to your item. The next step is to transfer the stones to your fabric. First, make sure your item is flat. To get a smooth surface, we used the heat press to iron the bag before putting down our design. Place your template design onto your item, rhinestones facing onto the fabric, leaving the tape attached to the stones. and press your design onto the fabric. We set a time of 15 seconds and a temperature of 350 degrees. When you lift the press up, carefully remove your project from the press. Wait for a few seconds and then remove your tape from the design. Your rhinestones will be attached to your fabric and should withstand wear and washing. Once created, you can use your template again and again to create additional items with the same design. By following these basic steps for other projects, you'll be able to create countless designs for apparel and accessories.